Oh no, honey. What happened was, we go now. I put money in your bag. I put my card in your bag. In your bag. I put my card and my money in your bag. Okay? Will it be safe though, or should I take my own bag?
Take all your bag. Have your own bag, Mom.
Okay, put my own bag. Yeah, I know, honey. I was just asking because I have to carry you both bags, you know? Okay, you think I'm tiny? I'm big. I'm a big girl. You going to do that for me? You don't have to do that for me, you know? Yeah. I'm just going out now. Oh my god! Oh my god! You guys! You guys! Yes! No! Wait! Thank you. I think yellow is really my color. I love black. And I have black shoes too. And this old judge. It's 7:35. I'm gonna take my girl to dinner. We're gonna come back by 9. And then I'm gonna take the bag. Come back to 1. I'm really proud of my outfit. I'm not gonna afford it. Mm. I take both now.